Today I was scared, and I did it anyway. I think that is what brave feels like. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Leo, we just arrived.
There are 12 rides and 4 food courts. I only need 1 ride. We have the whole day.
I know. That is what I am worried about.
Ferris wheel, games, food, roller coaster. Roller coaster is that way. There it is. I am not going on it. Smile, you two.
I am smiling. Can we go now?
Ferris wheel to start?
But the roller coaster is Ferris wheel first.
Okay. Fine. Yes,
It is very high.
it is. Look at the whole park from up here.
I can see the food court from here.
You can see everything from here.
Mom! I can see the roller coaster from here. I see it too, Leo. The people look very small. They all have their arms up.
Good view from up here.
Yes.
Baked corn first.
Mom, the roller coaster is right and
Corn first.
fine. This is a very good corn. Dad, I am eating.
You look great while eating.
I want that panda. Oh,
It is very big.
That was a warm-up.
It did not go close.
I played this as a child.
Were you better as a child?
A panda. Smaller than expected.
It is very small.
Still a panda.
Can I try? Can I try? I want a bear. Well done. That kid looks really sad. Here. You just gave it away.
I already have a keyring at home. He did not even hesitate.
I know.
Somebody left their phone here.
We should take it to Lost and Found.
Lost and Found, Section B, near the main path.
You actually looked at the map. I look at the map when I need to. You said you did not need a map. Oh. It is bigger than I thought.
Hello. We found a phone on a bench.
Oh, good. Can I see it?
Thank you. Do you know where you found it?
On the bench near the prize game stall.
I will make an announcement. The owner will come and collect it.
Good. I hope they find it quickly.
You two did the right thing. Very responsible.
Thank you. I hope the person is not too worried. I will call them right now. And she said we were very responsible.
She was right. You were.
He liked that word. Responsible.
What do you want to do after this?
Roller coaster.
Anna? I want to look at it first.
Okay. We look first.
That is new. He did not argue.
There it goes!
That is very fast.
You can see the whole thing from here.
I can see exactly what happens. That woman has her arms up.
She does that every time.
She is not scared at all. What does that feel like?
Not the panda I wanted.
Mm-hmm. It is a very small panda.
Still a panda.
You keep saying that. Are you scared of anything?
Spiders. And the dark.
And starting secondary school next year.
I did not know that.
You never asked.
Sorry. She does that every time. Dad said that too. He is scared of things. He just goes anyway. I want to know what that feels like. The arms up part. Okay. Okay, what? Okay, what? I want to try. Okay, let's go.
Did that just happen?
Yes. My hands are cold.
Mine too. That means it matters.
That sounds like something Dad would say. I know. It is a good line. It is louder than I expected.
That is the good part.
Keep your arms inside the car at all times. Except at the top.
At the top, At the top, you can put your arms up.
At the top. This is really happening. I said I wanted to try. I said it.
Two more groups ahead of us.
I can count. The bar comes down over your shoulders? Yes. It holds you in completely. Good, good. Crazies? Good.
You are doing great.
Leo. I know.
First time?
Is it obvious?
Is it obvious?
Here we go. Here we go. Do not look down. Look ahead. We are nearly at the top.
Nearly there.
I can see all of it. I know. Yeah!
It is so fast. I know.
Why am I laughing?
Because it is amazing.
Well? That was... Anna? Can we go again? Go again?
You got up faster than me.
I did! Oh! Ho! Ho! Yeah! It is so fast! Yeah! Ah! Arms up! How was it? Different.
Different.
Different good? Different thing. Different everything.
For being brave today.
You did not even know what I was going to do.
I always know.
It is still very small.
Still a panda. Still a panda.
Still a panda. I got one too. You bought it.
You bought it. I received mine.
Mine is bigger. They are the same size. They are the same size. Mine feels bigger. That does not make sense.
Good day?
Very good day.
I did it. I want to write that down. Today I was scared, and I did it anyway. I think that is what brave feels like.